Our safety talk today is about a construction worker who died after a stack of 30 sheets of plywood crushed him. The victim was standing 4 to 5 feet up on a ladder helping to set up a stack of plywood on the roof when the stacked wood began to slide down onto him. The victim started down the ladder, but the plywood landed on him in 2 sections. Heavy equipment was used to remove the plywood while another person called 911. The victim was conscious just after the incident. He said he thought his back was broken and could not move his hands or feet. The victim later died at the hospital. So here are some ways we can prevent something like this from happening where we work. Stack plywood and other supplies level and flat on a cricket or a table, rather than angled to the pitch of a roof. Make sure that ladders are positioned to allow safe access and never set up a ladder under an unstable load of material. In pre-planning, we should consider the use of access equipment other than ladders. Let's have a discussion on how we can prevent this from happening where we work. Here are some questions that will help us develop an action plan. After each question, press pause for discussion. Question 1. Are there any poorly positioned ladders or poorly stacked materials that we might have missed in safety inspections that could be corrected today? Question 2. Are there any other similar hazards we could fix or make less dangerous? Question 3. What do you all do if you need to stack material like this? Question 4. Has there been a similar condition like this at our site? Now let's develop our action plan.